What you focus on is what you find. And I want to give you a tangible example where you can experience this firsthand. So I want you to take a brief moment and I want you to look around the space that you're in, whether it's in your room, in your office, your living room, wherever you are. I want you to look around and I want you to find all the things in your space that are black. And I want you to come up with about 7 or 8 different things that are black. Once you have them, I want you to memorize those things, to really remember those things, and we'll do an activity with them here. All right, good job. Now I'm going to have you go ahead and close your eyes. Now tell me all of the things that you found that were red. If you're like most people, you might be able to think of 1 thing, 2 that were red, but you likely can't think of a ton. Go ahead and open your eyes now. And I want you to notice all the things in your space that were red that you didn't originally notice. This is confirmation that what we focus on is what we find. And while we did it for a simple exercise, it's so powerful and profound because it applies to so many different areas within our life. Many times we focus on things that we don't want, and then we wonder why we call in the things we don't want. And it's because what you focus on is what you feed. Understand that if we want to call in the things that we desire in our life, we have to focus on the things that we do want so that in turn we can call those in. Your subconscious mind is so powerful, but if I'm being honest, most of us don't maximize it or use it or really leverage the power that it has. And just doing this simple activity can show you that you get to choose what you focus on and in turn what it is that you call into your life, because what your subconscious mind holds is what it's actually going to move towards and be drawn towards. Inside my Elevate Method certification program, I teach you about how to leverage your mind using neurolinguistic programming. We learn hypnotherapy, time techniques, emotional freedom techniques, also known as tapping, and life and success coaching. And these are all modalities that you get to become certified in. The reason that this program is totally different is because I'm not slapping some certification on your desk, but I'm teaching you these modalities and how you can use them personally, as well as how you can weave them into the work that you do with clients so that you can stand out as a highly sought after coach. So whether you're an aspiring or established coach and you want the tools that you can use to help change to go deeper and to last longer, and things that you can use with yourself personally, this is the place that you need to be. The good news is you can get a chance to experience this for free, and it doesn't get more exciting than that. So use the link below where you'll get access to Experience Elevate, which is essentially behind the scenes opportunity to experience each one of these modalities and let them transform your life. So use that link below, and I look forward to seeing you there.